Hi there. For today's Ninja Art Tip, I want to talk to you about drawing. So if you really want to learn to draw, then the best way is to get the miles in the pencil. So the very first thing is to be able to get yourself to pick a pencil up and draw something, anything. It doesn't matter how good or bad it turns out. And so what I do is I like to set little challenges for myself, and I'm going to set a challenge today for you as well, if you're keen on learning how to draw. And this is just a little short challenge. It's a little 5-day challenge. So it just means seeing if you can trick yourself into picking up a pencil once a day, every day for 5 days, and spending 30 seconds with a pencil in your hand scribbling something onto a piece of paper. So here's how I do it. I'll show you what I do. At the beginning of every year, I start a brand new A4 journal. So this journal is just a visual diary with acid-free paper, and the very first thing I like to do is wreck the first page. So you turn over the cover and get onto this first page and do something, anything. So what I like to do is just do some sort of header design for the beginning of the journal, and it's really good to mess up this journal by putting something messy on that very first page. So I like to just make a sort of a title page. So I've just started mine with putting some letters for the year there, and then later on I'll decorate it. I might put some little dots and patterns inside there, and I might write my affirmation for the year here, put some little, you can just draw some ivy or flowers or whatever you want on the first page there, but I'll do that later on. That's my title page for this year's visual diary. My goal is to fill the whole diary by the end of the year. And so then on this first page, to do this challenge, I've just drawn up some twitchy squares. So twitchies are little 2-inch square shapes that you just hand draw. Don't pull out a ruler. It's good to make it as messy as possible. So nice wobbly lines and crooked lines are really good. And so I've just set up 5 different shapes, and then I've written the day and the date on each of them in advance. So there's little blank boxes that all I need to do is pick up a pencil and fill in somehow with anything. So yesterday I was saying you've always got something to draw. You don't have to think hard about what to draw. If you sit down with a pencil in your hand and a bit of paper and you look around, there'll be something. And I said yesterday that you could just draw your big toe because it's right there in front of you. So yesterday what I did was I drew my left thumb in the first little twinchy square. So that's my drawing for the day. So today I'll do another little drawing of something fun in there, just simple, easy drawings. Don't make them complicated for yourself. But this is a great way to get yourself going by having a little challenge to yourself. So what I want you to do is, if you're keen on learning to draw and you're keen on getting the miles in the pencil, this is a really good challenge to set for yourself as well, is to find some paper, find a pencil, have it handy so that you can grab it easily every day, and see if you can find something, anything simple to draw. It doesn't matter how good or bad it is, but if you can draw and just take a little photo of your little drawing and then share it below in the comments below. I'll take a photo of my little terrifically terrible drawing of a thumb, and I'll post it down below. So if you do a little drawing and take a shot of it and share it in the comments below, that will be lovely to start seeing what people are doing. So that's your tip of the day, is to start a fresh new journal at the beginning of every year and set yourself a little challenge to try and draw every single day. If you want to learn to draw and get better at drawing, it's all about miles in the pencil. So there's more tips on this sort of thing in our Zen and the Art of Art book that's just been published. So you can see that book and purchase it either at the gallery here or on the website. So zenartart.com is where you grab the book. We've got Learn to Draw classes starting up soon. So just comment below or contact me via Facebook Messenger and let me know if you're keen on joining those classes. And please like, share, subscribe and comment on the video so that other people can see it as well. But I love to see your little drawings that you create in your brand new sheet of paper that you're going to work on. Thanks for watching.